Hey everybody, hope you're having a good day today. Unboxing a new toy, check it out. Wow. It's pretty cool. Let's check out how it works. Wow, look at that. It's pretty cool. Look at all the buttons there. Comes with 4 balls. What color is this ball? Purple. That's right. What color is this ball? Green. What color is this ball? Red. What color is this ball? Yellow. How many balls do I have in my hand? 4. That's right. Good job. Okay, let's take a look at this truck first. So you put the ball in there. Look at that. So cool. Wow. See that? Oh, okay, missed that one. Let's turn on the... Wow, look at that.
I'm working in my bulldozer all the live long day. I've been working in my bulldozer, scooping the balls away. Popping time! Let's head to the site. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm the team leader. I'm ready to clear the way. 1.
Okay, let's try another ball. So you put it in there.
1.
Whoa.
2.
Wow.
Drop a ball into the 3.
Isn't that cool?
4. Great. 1. 2.
Whoa, let's try the yellow ball.
Drop a ball into the top of my cap. 3. 4. Great.
Wow.
1. Hard hat. 2. Gloves. 3. Screwdrivers. 4. Screws. Drop a ball into the top of my cab. 1. 2. Drop a ball into the top of my cab. 3.
Let's try 2 balls.
4. Great. 1.
Wow.
2.
Isn't this a cool toy?
Ball into the top
You can
of
hold
my
it
cab.
here.
Hooray!
Whoa, 2 balls one at a time. Oh, good try.
1. 2.
This toy is so much
Drop a
fun.
ball into the top of my cab. 3.
Alright guys, there it is.
Let's keep going.
By VTech there. Push and pop bulldozer.
3 screwdrivers. Let's head to the
Pretty cool
site.
truck.
Let's head to the site. Let's head to the site. 1 hard hat.
Thank you for watching. Have a good day.
Everything's all right.